not keeping me alert. Kind of falling asleep on the job here. Okay. You quit being funny a long time ago. Better stop that. All right. We want to solve this inequality. Remember, we want to isolate the variable x. X all by its lonesome over here. And then all the other gobbledygook on the other side of the inequality. This reads negative 3x plus 6 is less than 18. We're going to shoot this up first. He's easiest to get. Opposite of a positive 6 is a negative 6. And we're going to do the same thing to both sides of the inequality. Draw a line. Copy what's left over. Just bring it down. This guy collapses to 0. Positive 6, negative 6, 0. Copy the sign. Make sure you get the direction right. And 18 minus 6 would be 12. All right, now we want to get rid of the negative 3. And then remember, it's multiplied by the x, so the way to undo multiplication is division. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that will give us a positive x, and that's what we want. And we got to divide by 3 over here. The same number, negative 3, not positive 3. So negative 3, going to divide both sides by negative 3. These guys collapse to 1. 1 times x is x. And then 12 divided by a negative 3 is 4. Negative 4. Positive 12 divided by a negative. If you mix the signs on a division or a multiplication, it's going to be negative. This is a mixed sign. Positive divided by a negative is going to be a negative. Now the weird part about this, the only thing you got to remember, it's kind of strange, is that when you divide by a negative number, the inequality changes direction. You got to remember that. This guy flips. So instead of pointing this way, it's going to point that way. Because why? Because we divided by a negative number. So here's our baby, and here's our baby. It matches this one. X is greater than negative 4. Bam.